G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here. Today is a very special day. You could say it's a dark day because we have the Aprilia RSV4 Factory in Ultra Dark. This is a heart-thumping 1100cc Aprilia racing machine and it is absolutely fantastic in the flesh. So make sure you come and check this out at our Parramatta location. But before you do that, let's jump into some of the specifications and features that this brand new model has to offer. There you go folks, the 1100cc animal in the flesh. Make sure you come and check it out at our Parramatta location. You can give one of our sales representatives a call for more information. I'll leave the number here below. I'm Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles and I'll see you on our next video.